There is too much, entirely protein noise going on. And actually, y'all, we don't need protein, we need amino acids. But we're not going down that rabbit hole in this very short video. So, what I was going to tell you was literally, I am at my desk, tea, big old bowl of watermelon and cantaloupe. And I was answering a response to a client, and I was like, hold on, I got to create something. I got to make a video. Let me create something really quick. Um, I have been asked about 50 gazillion times this week, what can I eat? The new protein recommendations, y'all, the nutritional guidelines get ready to change. And I hope, I'm praying. I'm hoping that they're going to be for real this time. But everything that you hear now is, especially women, we need to be consuming more protein. We need to be consuming more protein. Are you consuming enough protein? I can help you out with it. I can help you figure that out. But so literally, I have had probably seven clients and non-clients, more non-clients ask me, Catherine, what do I eat? I thought I was eating enough protein. Well, you're probably not, but what can I eat? So this is my plea. If there was ever a time in your life that number one, you respected your body and respected your pocketbook, but you also respected the planet and you were a good steward for protecting animals, I'm going to say, please let your increased protein consumption come from non-animal product sources. It's way too easy. So I'm actually going to put some quotes down below about, like, from the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, the American Cancer Society, John Hopkins. I could keep going on and on, that have actually said reduce dairy, reduce animal products, reduce red meat. They've said it over and over and over again. And this isn't just me being on my soapbox. It's like you call up your girlfriend and you go, hey girl, let's talk. Tell me the truth. Tell me they're for real. And your girlfriend goes, dang girl, I love you, but we got to clean up some stuff. I want what's best for you, girl. Okay, so it's like that. So anyway, so if there's ever a time that you make some really good, compassionate, not just smart. We're going to get smart in a second. But if there's ever a time that you make a compassionate, high vibe choice, please let it be now. Please. Now let's talk about being smart. So what are some ways that you can increase your protein intake fast, easy, and inexpensive? Because y'all, I don't like to cook. This is about the extent of my meal prep. Cut it, slice it, slap it in a bowl, eat it. Now, watermelon is not a complete protein. Don't get me wrong. So down below, okay, so when everybody was asking, down below, you're going to find something. You're going to find something free. I love free, y'all. Cheap is, well, inexpensive is good. Don't like cheap. Inexpensive is good, but free is better. So down below, you're going to find a little Canva thing, document, little book thing that I made real quick. And it's just 5. Just start with this. You can add on later. Okay? Sometimes you don't go big or go home. Sometimes you start small. Okay? Start small and then go big. So it's just 5. It's just 5 quick ideas, little recipes that you can throw together, and you can get, actually, if you did all of them, you'd be eating more than what you needed. But if you just did 2 or 3, dang, you'd be getting pretty much all your protein requirements for the day. Okay, and also let me say that if I've, like, recommended a brand or something in here, it's not because I'm affiliated. Although, if they want to deposit some money in my account, I ain't gonna say no. They want to sponsor me because I am going into competition prep. I ain't gonna say no, but no, nobody sponsor me. These are the products that I use, and I have been through digestive hell. Do you hear me? Y'all, let me get up for a second. Let me back up and get up. I have been through, I'm pooching out right now. I have been through digestive hell with different protein products. So I am very careful with what I recommend. Also, I don't recommend a company just all willy-nilly because y'all, you got to be careful where you're putting your money. You got to be careful what blood industry you're feeding. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. If they don't align with your mind, body, and spirit, your soul, your ethics, don't be giving them your money. Don't be giving them your money. Uh-uh. All right now. Okay, so that's the answer to your question. This is like you just had a really sassy conversation with. I guess I'm old enough to be some of y'all's grandmama. I might be. And then for those of you, I could be like your sassy, BFF, or girlfriend, or just girlfriend. Um, yeah, it's just like you just had a sassy conversation with. Let me cut through the noise. Keep it simple, simple. Keep it simple, and just break it down to basics. Let me give you five things that make your life very simple, and then move on from there. Because some of us like the science. Some of us are like we'll just be reading. You just be reading. Some of us like the science, and some of us are like, I ain't got time for all that. I ain't got time for all that. Just tell me what I need to know, and I'll do the thing. Tell me what to do, and I'll do the thing. Okay, so I'm telling you what to do. Now go do the thing. No, y'all, these recipes, they're so cute. They're so fast, and they are really yummy. They're really yummy. All right, okay, so that's it. I just wanted to make the video really quick because so many people had asked me, and I'm like, since I'm making this little document, and it literally was just going to be a list. I literally just sat down at my computer an hour ago and said, let me just make this list. And then it turned into, oh no, let me make a little booklet because I can't do anything basic. So I said, let me make a little booklet. And then as when I started making the booklet, I was like, oh, let me go ahead and slap this up on social media. This was not planned whatsoever. This was not like, oh, let me drop an ebook and create a sales funnel. I don't even know how to do a sales funnel. I'm gonna learn though. I'm gonna learn. But no, this ain't about that. This is I'm really dang tired of people not knowing when they need to know. Because I needed to know. And I had to do the science. I had to do the research. I had to do the experimentation and investigation. I had to go through the whole dark night of the digestive soul as I was figuring out what was going to work and what wasn't. All right, love. Okay, I'm finished now. Let me go back to eat my watermelon. All right, do that information what you will. And I hope that you make some protein choices with not just your belly, but with your heart as well.